Good morning, students. Today our topic is pattern. What are patterns? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Means same shape pattern is repeated again and again. Look at these figures. These figures contain a pattern. Here is a shirt, bed sheet, sari, etc. Every figure contains some pattern. Now look at this figure. This is a bracelet which contains three figures: square, circle, triangle, then again square, circle, triangle, and then again circle, triangle. Okay, so this is a pattern in which three figures are repeated again and again on the same pattern. Okay, so this is a pattern. In this way we can see different patterns in our daily life. Look at this box which contains different cards containing different number of dots. Okay, here are different cards which contain different number of dots. First card contain 2 dots, second card contain 3 dots, third contains 4 dots, and last contains 5 dots. In this way, these cards contain different dots. So this is a pattern on the basis of number of dots. First 2 dots, then 3 dots, then 4 dots, then 5 dots. So next card will contain 6 dots, then again 7, then 8, then 9. Okay, in this way this is a pattern on the basis of number of dots. Okay, now look at this. We can make different patterns on the alphabets also. Here are two alphabets, A and B, which are arranged alternatively. Okay, A, B, then again A, again B. Okay, so these are arranged alphabetically, means A, then A. So here again A, then again A. Okay, and here is B, then B, again B, and then again B. So this is again a pattern on alphabets. Now look at this pattern. This pattern is on the numbers. Okay, first number is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. So next number is obtained by adding 2 to the first number, then again adding 2, and then again 2, and so on. So this pattern is on the number. Next number is obtained by adding a same value to the previous number. So this is again an example of pattern. Okay, now look at this stars. Now you can see here is again a pattern. Look carefully. First number is 40, then 36, then 32. Here next number is obtained by subtracting 4 from previous number. So 40 minus 4 is 36. Then next number is 32, which is obtained by subtracting again 4 from 36. So 36 minus 4, 32. So what number should be there in next star? In next star again we will subtract 4 from 32. So we will get here 28. So next number will obtain by subtracting 4 from 32. Okay, so 32 minus 4 again will be 28. Similarly, next number will be 28 minus 4, 24, then again 20, and then 20 minus 4 again 16. So this is again. Now look at some common number patterns. There are some rules to find some common number pattern. First rule is an arithmetic sequence can be made by adding or subtracting the same value each time. For example, first we will find a number pattern by adding number 3. Look at this number line. So let us start with 1. Now we can find a number pattern by adding 3. So 1 plus 3 here 4. So first number is 1, then 4, then next number is 4 plus 3 7. You can see on number line. So next number is 7, then 10, then 13, and so on. you can see we get number pattern by adding a number 3 to the previous number. So this is a pattern on numbers. Okay, so we can find a pattern by adding a number. Similarly, we can find a pattern by subtracting a number. Means we have to subtract same value from the number. Look at this number line. Now we will start with the bigger number because we want to subtract a common value. Okay, so let us start with 25. Now we will subtract 2 from this number. So 25 minus 2, we will get 23. Then next pattern will be 23 minus 2, 21. Then 21 minus 2, 21 minus 2, 19. So next number will be 19 and so on. Okay, 19 minus 2, 17. Then 17 to minus 2, 15. So by subtracting same value, that is 2, from the number, we can get a common number pattern. So by subtracting, we can find a common number pattern. Now second rule says that an arithmetic sequence can be made by multiplying or divide by same value each time. We can find a common pattern by multiplying or by dividing. So let us start by multiplying a number by 3. We will get a number pattern. So first of all, 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now again we will multiply 9 by 3. So 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Now multiply this 27 again by 3, 81. Okay, then 81 into 3, 243. So this is a pattern, that is 3, 9, 27, 81 and so on. So this is a pattern which we obtained by multiplying a number by same value, that is 3. Okay, 3, 9, 27, 81 and 243 and so on. We can find large numbers like this. Okay, now similarly we can find a common number pattern by dividing. So let us divide a number by 2. We will get a common number pattern. Let us start with 160. Okay, first of all we will divide 160 by 2. So 160 by 2 is equal to 80. So we will get 80. Now again divide 80 by 2. So 80 divided by 2, 40. Now again 40 divided by 2, 20. Again 20 divided by 2, 10. Then 10 divided by 2, 5. So we get a pattern here, that is 160, then 80, then 40 and so on. So this is again a pattern, okay, which we have obtained by dividing a number by same number, that is 2. Okay, now rule 3. What rule 3 says? Rule 3 says that an arithmetic sequence can be made by multiplying, dividing by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay, we can find a common number pattern by multiplying or dividing the number by 10, 100 and 1000. Let us take an example of 128. We will multiply 128 by 10, 100 and 1000 and we will get a pattern. First of all, multiply 128 by 10, we will get 1280, that is 1280. Now 128 into 100 is equal to 12800, means 12,800. This is again a pattern. Now 128 into 1000, what we will get? 128 then 30, means 1,28,000. Okay, so this is again a pattern. Okay, 128 then 12800 and so on. This is again a pattern. Now similarly we will find a common number pattern by dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000. Take an example of 1,28,000. Now first of all divide this number by 10. What we will get? We will get 1280. Okay, now dividing this number by 100, what we will get? 1280, means 1280. Now again divide this number by 1000, what we will get? 128. Okay, so this is again a pattern, that is 12800 and so on. Okay.